Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Kunal Rai. Today I am going to do data analysis for universities available in India. There are mainly four types of university available in India. First one is Central University, which is controlled by Department of Higher Education. Second one is State University, which run by state government. And last two are deemed and private, which is controlled by UGC. As of August 2021, total 1003 universities available in India. Out of it, 54 are central, 436 are state owned, deemed are 125, and total private universities are 388. Well, these are some basic data. I am more interested in university distribution across Indian states and Indian territories. In this video, I am going to visualize a distribution of university in urban and rural area as well as university distribution among various states and union territories. It will be based on university type, population, and national average. I am also going to compare the unemployment data with university and India population. So let's start with data collection first. For university, I have collected all the data from UGC site. They usually publish data every year. So here you can see central university list based on states and union territories. Next we have state university data. Then we have a deemed university data. Next we have private university data for each state, and if you scroll down you can get a consolidated list with total number of university available in each state. For population data, I have used a census website, which is censusindia.gov.com. Here you can get population distribution of each state, and at last you can see unemployment data, which I took from CMI site, which is a think tank in India, and they publish data on unemployment. And here you can see all the unemployment data distribution among states. In final data preparation step, I have gathered the population data for each state in percentage. This you can call national share for population. Then I have put together the unemployment data in percentage for each state, and finally I have calculated the total university count and then convert this into percentage for each state, which is national share for university. We can also observe that I have calculated the urban and rural data and its respective percentage. To visualize data, I am using Tableau, which is a leading tool in data visualization. Here I am using data source as Excel, and in our case Excel sheet is University in India, which I have created while collecting the data. This has been explained in previous section. Here you can see all the data from that Excel. So let's visualize the total university count first. Here you can see all the required field is visible in left. I am keeping a state as a column and total number of university as a row, and I have customized few things for decoration. So we are getting the graph as per our need, as well as I have put some labels, so while hovering you can get the details on the graph. In next visualization, I am comparing various type of university and its distribution among states and union territory. Here you can see a state graph has been drawn for a state by Central University. Similarly, we have bar chart and line chart for private and deemed university along with some decoration. In next visualization, I am comparing the university availability in each state in percentage and each state population distribution. So here I am drawing dual axis graph. The next visualization, which is a map chart representing the university count in each state in percentage. Tableau automatically generating the row and column based on the state data. I have put various level and details, so while hovering you can get the required details. The next visualization, which is again a map chart representing the university count in urban India for each state. The next visualization, which is a map chart representing the university count in rural India for each state. The next visualization, which is a dual axis representing in university percentage in each state as well as unemployment in each state. In both the cases, data is in percentage. Like the previous graph, I have put various levels and details on dual axis chart. The next visualization, which is a map chart representing the unemployment count in each state. I have put various labels and details on map chart to get the required details. For final conclusion, I am using Tableau storyboard. The first tab representing number of university count in each state. Here you can see Rajasthan having highest number of university. Then we have Gujarat and UP. If we will see the lowest count, then it is Goa, which having only one university, and then we have Ladakh and Chandigarh. In next tab, which is a map chart, which represent university distribution in percentage. Here we can see the state which is in west and which is in central India having higher number of university, and most of them having more than 5% of India's university in each state. Like MP and Maharashtra having more than 6% university. Next tab is comparison of unemployment data in percentage and population in percentage. Here you can observe that Haryana, which holds only 2% of India's total population, having 28% unemployment, and total university in this state is only 5%. In case of lowest unemployment, we have Meghalaya and Odisha. I will say Odisha doing far better than any other state, as its total population count is 3% and it's having only 1% unemployment data, and total university in this state is 3%. Same goes for Gujarat and UP. We can say they are doing better. Well, next tab is dashboard for university distribution and unemployment data. Here you can see all the data in one board. You can select a state and visualize all the data related to the university, its type, its count, and other information. Next step is a map chart, which is comparison of urban and rural university data in percentage. So in left we have rural data and right we have urban data for the university. Here you can clearly see the rural India having less university, that is why it's showing in red. However, most of the university are in urban area. Most of the state in rural area having less than 20% university. However, 80% of university we can see in urban side. Some of the states which are doing good in rural university are Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Himachal Pradesh. In next step, which is also a map chart, we are comparing the university percent distribution with unemployment data among the state. Here you can see central state and western states are doing very good in terms of university and unemployment. But for Bihar, data is not good. Here you can see 3% of total university available in Bihar, but unemployment is 13% for this state, and this state also hold 9% of total India population. So guys, that is all in this video. We can visualize this storyboard by yourself from Tableau Public. You can use mention URL to access all the Tableau workbook. I have also given the link in the description. You can visit and you can give your valuable feedback in the comment section. See you in my next video. Thank you.